Hello, good morning students. How are you? Okay, now last time we have completed the AC sonometer, frequency of AC sonometer. That means it was the last experiment of the section A. Today we are going to start the section B, that is optic section. In this section we will find the focal length of the spherical lenses and spherical mirror and refractive index of the glass, liquid and transparent material. So let me find the first, our aim is to find the focal length of convex lens using the formula and by plotting the graph. So here the convex lens is a transparent lens whose both the sides are convex. So first the focal length f can be found by the formula uv upon u minus v, where u is a object distance and v is a image distance. By placing the object at different three places, beyond 2f, at 2f and between f and 2f. So let me first find the rough focal length of convex lens. Let me find the rough focal length by obtaining the image of distinct object on screen. When the image is bright, sharp and smallest, at that time rough focal length note down here, it is a 17 centimeter. So let me decide some object distance. Now the rough focal length is around 17 centimeters, so 2f is equal to 34. Beyond 2f, so we will decide two different distance which will be the more than 34. So let me decide in the 37 and 40. And the distance of object is between f and 2f, that is less than 34. So we will decide it is a 31 and 28. Now here we have decided the object distance. Let me find its now image distance obtaining on the screen. Okay, object pin and image pin. So let me find the image distance for the object distance is at 40 centimeter. Now we have a convex lens. This is the lens stand. We have object pin and we have image pin. So first place the lens on, hold on the lens stand. Now place the distance between two lens and object pin is around 40 centimeter. So this distance is 40 centimeter. So let me place the object at 40 centimeter. Now observe from this side through the lens. You can observe the pin through the lens. Now from this side, let you arrange the image pin such in a way the image and image pin must be coinciding. Okay, like this. Here this white pin is an image pin and that is an object pin. Inside the lens it is a image, and here the white pin is obviously coinciding with the image pin. Now let me measure the distance between image pin and image lens, that is image distance. The distance between lens and image is image distance, and it is around 28 centimeter. So I will note down in observation table 28 centimeter. Now let me arrange the 37 centimeter, that is the distance between lens and the object pin is equal to 37 centimeter. At that time again arrange the image pin such in a way image pin must be coincide with the image in the lens. Now, as object distance decrease, image distance will increase. So here you can see the image and its image pin are coinciding. So white is image pin, where the here it is a image. Now image and image pin are coinciding each other. Now let me measure the distance between lens and image pin, and it is equal to around 32 centimeter. So I will note down in observation table 32 centimeter. Now, when you place the object on 34 centimeter, means on 2F, obviously image will form also on 2F. But for that we have to arrange such in a way the image and image pin, there is no parallax between image and image pin. See, from this side, white is a image pin, where is the black image in lens, and they are moving in the same direction with same speed, means there is no parallax between them. Let me measure the distance, and this distance is equal to 34 centimeter. So I will note down in observation table 34 centimeter. In the same way, we can find the image in two different distance. That is, first is 31 centimeter. Again, note down this distance, and here parallax is removed. Let me measure the distance, and it is equal to 41 centimeter. Okay, now for this again 28 centimeter. Arrange the pin such in a way the parallax should be removed between image and image pin, and note down this distance. And here it is an image distance. Let me note down in observation table. Now, when you substitute value in formula, u is equal to minus 40, v is equal to 28. Why the u is negative? Because the object is left side on the lens. So, for sign convenience, we will take the all object distance with minus sign. So, on calculating, that means minus 40 into 28 dividing by minus 40 minus 28, your answer will be nearly, it is 16.47. Now for the second center calculation, you will get the answer 17.10. And for 34, the answer will be 17.00. For third calculation, your answer will be 16.20. And the last calculation, you will get the answer 17.1. So average value will be around the average f, it is equal to 16.77 centimeter. Now we will plot the graph of 1 upon u versus 1 upon v. So you will find the value of the 1 upon u, that is 1 upon 40 is equal to whatever answer. Fill up all this data, then we will plot the graph in journal. लेकिन ग्राफ में जर्नल ड्रॉ करने का काम हम जब क्लास में आएंगे, लैब में आएंगे तब करेंगे. तो फिलहाल आप कैलकुलेशन तक कंप्लीट रखोगे एंड लीव द वन लेफ्ट पेज. तो अच्छा, ग्राफ जर्नल तो प्रिंटेड जर्नल है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो यू कंप्लीट द कैलकुलेशन बेस. So we will start the next experiment, and complete the experiment, beta. Okay. Now, thank you, beta. Have a nice day.